Okay, Thursday, June 9th, just following up on Adobe. I was able to scale out a half the position at 433.75. I bought it at 431.74, so up just about 2 points. And you can see here, this is the 1 minute chart. This was the entry down here, and this was where I had my limit order to scale out a half the position. If we go to the daily chart again, this was the target. This is the 50% move. We kind of failed going down, came 50% up there, and then we reached the top of that target. Now we see if the next target's reached with the remaining position, which is up at the 435.20. Kind of think we should, if things stay strong, we should take that out. And then at that point, there is a little window to head up higher here, to the 440 area. So we'll see what happens today. You can see here, though, this was the failure to the downside. If I go to the weekly chart here, just looking at that, we're still in 2-up mode. And we kind of, during the early part of the week, just held the midpoint of that prior week. We're still kind of down for the week. Again, on the daily chart, we did start up here. So this could be a Thursday, which just kind of fails. It kind of takes out both sides of the range. And who knows if we just don't continue higher until we take out the open of that week. This week really isn't going to be green yet. So even though we're heading up from the prior week. So we kind of really have to take out that. That's what I'm looking for, the open of this bar here. Let's see what it is, 437.72. That would show that this week's up and we're continuing higher on the weekly chart. But for now, on the daily chart, since we held the midpoint of the prior week, we failed going down, headed up. Big 15-minute bar started up. That was the buy down here. And you can see it's, it might be failing. I mean, that's why you kind of get out at that target. If it comes back down here, I could take it just a small gain overall on the trade. And that's what I got to watch for. But this target was the high probability play. So we're out now, no risk trade. We'll just see if we just had a nice pause here and maybe continue higher to this next bar in the 435 area. But if not, then it's just a small gain. But overall, good trade on Adobe.